Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
Web alerts send notifications when new content matches your keywords or topics. They monitor websites, blogs, news, and social posts continuously. Alerts can use email, RSS, or push notifications to deliver updates to you. Setting them reduces time spent searching manually and increases situational awareness. You can set alerts for brands, topics, and phrases with quotes or operators. Use precise keywords, operators, and filters to avoid noisy results and irrelevant content. Alerts run in the background until you pause or delete them. Open your alert service and enter your exact search phrase or keywords. Use quotes for exact phrases and minus signs to exclude terms you do not want. Choose delivery method like email, RSS, or push notifications for receiving updates. Set frequency, language, region, and content types before saving the alert. Use advanced operators like cite, domain. COM to limit sources and file type, PDF to find documents. Review the preview results and tweak keywords until alerts return relevant matches consistently. Review incoming alerts and mark what is relevant or irrelevant consistently to train your process. Edit keywords, add filters, or use cite and file type operators to refine results quickly. Use quotation marks for exact matches and minus signs to remove unwanted terms. Pause or delete alerts when they are no longer useful or too noisy for your inbox. Create folders or labels for alert emails and set rules to auto-organize them. Check alerts monthly and adjust frequency or keywords to keep results timely and
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.